Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix C2200 failed ABS control module. The ABS control module, which is this part over here, is usually built together with the ABS pump. And when this module starts to fail, you're going to notice all sorts of symptoms. The first symptom you're going to notice is a field warning light turning on. You're going to notice the ABS light turning on. You're going to notice the traction control warning light turning on. And you're also going to notice the brake warning light turning on as well. When the ABS module starts to fail, it can cause the ABS pump to be stuck in the running position. So when it's stuck in the running position, that means it won't turn off and the ABS pump is constantly running. The next symptom of a bad ABS control module is that when you use your scan tool and you're trying to communicate with the ABS module and it won't communicate at all and you're getting lost communication code, that could be another sign that the circuit board inside the module had failed. When you're getting C220, it means the internal component inside the module had failed. In other words, most likely you're going to have a bad circuit board and you can actually fix this circuit board. Now, what caused the circuit board to fail? And the number one reason is going to be caused by thermal stress. Thermal stress is when a circuit board gets hot, then it cools down, then it gets hot, and it cools down, and it gets hot, and it cools down. So this is caused by expansion and contraction, expansion and contraction, expansion and contraction, caused by temperature fluctuation. And this can cause the soldering joint on the components such as the diodes, a capacitor, and so on to start to crack and become loose. And it can cause the module to stop working properly. The next reason why the ABS control module failed, maybe because there's a software issue. For example, if there's something wrong with the software and there's a recall for it, then this can cause the ABS module to not work properly, and this can cause all sorts of ABS issue. So make sure to check if there's a recall for your vehicle. And I know that most likely if you drive like a Jeep or a Chrysler or a Dodge or maybe even a Chevy, I noticed that this is more common for those manufacturers, so make sure you check for recalls. The next reason why you're getting CC220 is because maybe you have a wire connection issue. And when the ABS control module gets wet, maybe let's say the hood weather strip is bad, or let's just say you detailed your engine and you power washed the whole entire engine bay, this can get the wire and the module to become wet, and this can cause all sorts of issue. When the connection becomes wet, you might want to disconnect the connector, remove it from the module, and you might want to look on the inside and make sure that the pin did not get wet, because if the pin got wet, you're probably going to want to use an air compressor and blow out all the wire inside the connector area. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.